we begin with a restoration of Volkswagen 66 in a bad condition. It's a rust bucket, and everywhere you see, every chunk of piece has a lot of rust. We are doing this frame of body restoration, and since this car was parked for like 4 years, and it was in a bad state, never been painted, never been restored in the life. It's all original, has the original paint on it, never been into the accident. And if you see, this roof rail is gone. It has a good engine though. It has a 1500, and so when we see the rust, we need to do off-body restoration. That's a proper process of Volkswagen Beetle. So we make sure that all the time we go off-body restoration. Has a good floor, original floor in it. Has an ivory interior. Someone changed the door card with the black color, and the seat covers were changed. With the ivory knob, steering wheel is there. Roof has some holes in there. You need to look into that as well. If you see, all of the places are rusted and all of the panels are gone. Major panels are gone. So this is a day 2. Volkswagen Beetle, working on it. Here are the fenders. Catch you up tomorrow.